In this session, we will see drafting. We will see how to draft in CATIA V5. So, drafting in CATIA refers to the process of creating 2D technical drawings from 3D models. So, we create 2D sheets, 2D models, 2D drawing from 3D models. These drawings include detailed views, dimensions, annotations, and other necessary information required for manufacturing, inspection, and documentation purposes. So we will see how to create. So creating a new drawing. Okay, we will see this in the CATIA. Go to the start, mechanical design, and drafting. Okay, click on drafting. This will take time. So this is the user interface of drafting. Okay, dialog box will be up here. So we have standards here: ASME, ASME 3D, ISO. So we'll select ISO. Okay. Then these are the sheet style, A1 sheet. These are the sizes of sheets. So we will select the A1. Okay. So if you want portrait or landscape, you can select it from here. Click on OK, and this will open the drafting workbench. So these are the toolbars of drafting. This is the drafting workbench. So here we have specification tree for the drafting, and these are the annotation tabs. Okay, this is the annotation tab. This is the drawing toolbar, project toolbar, and these are the dimension toolbar. Okay, so for inserting a drawing, we will open an existing part. So we will open this part, open it. Okay, so we go to the window and then drawing. This will open the drawing workbench. Okay, so for importing the front view from the model, so we'll go to the projection toolbar, then front view. Okay, then we will go to the window and open the part. Okay, so we'll select the view. So I want this, or so okay, I want this as the front view, so I will select this surface and the view will be imported in the drawing. Okay, so I will move this and adjust it in the sheet. Okay, I will double click and the view will be inserted. So this is the front view. So now I want a projection. So I want a projection of this view. So I will go to the projections, the projected view, and I will create a view. So I will drag the mouse wherever you want and it will create a view here. Okay, if you want projection, go to projected view and create a projection. Okay, now if you want a isometric view, go to the projection toolbar. In that, this isometric command, click on the isometric view, go to the window and this part. Okay, select a surface. I will select this. Okay, and the isometric view will be inserted. Double click, place it here. Okay, I have placed this. This is how you can import the views in the drawing. So now we will see how to add dimension to these surfaces. To go to the dimension toolbar, you can find this dimensioning. These are the dimension. First one is the chain dimension, accumulated dimension, stack dimension, length, angle, radius, and diameter. So whatever you want, you can give it from the dimensioning toolbar. I will go to the dimensions. I will select this point and this point. This is the 72. For placing, go to the and left click. Okay, so this is how you can add dimension to the views. If you want to add this, okay, so it will automatically select the diameter. Okay, this is how you can give the dimensions. Okay, if you want to give datum feature, you can go to datum feature, select, and you can simply give the datum feature. So I have given datum feature of A to this surface. Okay, so this is how you can give the datum features. Okay, you can also add geometric tolerances to the drawing. Okay, so this is how you can add it, or geometric tolerances. You can give values. You can also give the symbols for the 14 geometry. Okay, so parallelism, perpendicularism. Okay, this is how you can give the values. You can add the geometric tolerance toolbar. You can also add text. Go to the annotation toolbar, text command, click on the drawing, and you can add the text. This is how you can add text in the drawings. Okay, click on OK. If you want to edit this, double click on it and you can edit it. Okay, if you want bold, if you want to change the size, you can change it from here. Okay, you can also change the font. Okay, click on OK. So these are the annotations. You can also add the table inside the drawing. You can change the number of columns, number of rows. Click OK and place it in the drawing. Okay, so the view with the red boundary is the base view, and if you select the projection, it will be selected from the base view. So this is the base view and this is the red boundary. You can also add roughness symbol, welding symbol, and weld. If you have any weld, you can add it, weld, and select the weld position. Okay, now we will see how to apply section view. Okay, if you want to add new sheet, you go to the drawing toolbar, add new sheet, then new detail sheet. You can also add new detail sheet. Simply click on OK. So for the section view, we have this toolbar. We will drag it here. Okay, press shift, views. So we have view toolbar. In this we have first isometric view, then we have section view. Okay, offset section view. In the section view we have types like align section view, offset section cut, and align section cut. Okay, so these are the projection toolbar in the view toolbar. Okay, so we will see the section view. Go to the section view and I will select this view. I want a section view of this view. So sorry, I want this view. So I will go to this view, create a line. So this is the section line. If I want to end here, I will double click, double left click. Okay, see this, and now section view has been created. Just drag the mouse, place it here wherever you want, click OK. Okay, right left click, and this is the section view. Okay, double click on it and you can change the color to whatever you want. Okay, if you want hatching, you can also select it from here, click on OK. If you want to change it, go to right click it, properties, and you can change the properties of it. Okay, hatching, coloring, image, whatever you want. If you want dotted, you can select the dotted one. Okay, just right click on the view, properties, and change it from here. Okay, for dotted, properties, and you can change it. If you want color, you can also change it from here. Okay, so I want hatching only. I will select hatching. Okay, so this is how you can create a section view or offset section view. Okay, so the next one is the detail view. So I will create a detail view. So I want detail view of this section, so I will go to this section. I will select this point and there is a circle, so I want this much detail, so I will place it here, create a circle, and this is the scaled view of this surface or this view. Okay, this is how you can create a detail view. So this is the detail view of this front view. Okay, you can also add dimension to this. Go to dimension and you can add dimensions. Okay, so this is how you can create detail view and section view. Okay, you can double click on this and you can edit it. Okay, if you want to place it here, you can just drag it and place it. Okay, if you want to move any view, just click on it and drag it wherever you want. Okay, so the next one is the broken view. For broken view, we will open another section. Okay, so first one we will see the clipping view. So go to clipping view. I want clipping view of this view. Okay, so I will go to this, select. Okay, so we will need a base view, so I will select on the base view. This is the base view. Okay, so I will click this section. Okay, see this, the remaining one vanishes off, and this is the clip view. Okay, you can see this before clipping view, after clipping view. Okay, so this is how you can draft in CATIA V5 software. Okay, so if you want to edit this table, double click on it and you can edit it. Okay, double click on any cell you want and you can change it. If you want to change the text, you can change it from here. So you can change the style in the font. Okay, this is how you can change it. Okay, this is how you can change it. So we'll see. Now we will see the broken view. For this we will open new file. Okay, so I will select this. Okay, I have opened this. For going to the drawing, go to window, drawing 1. So I want to import that drawing, so I will go to the projection toolbar, front view. Okay, go to the window and I will open the drawing. Okay, so I want this front view, so I will select this. So okay, so I will select this as a front view. Drawing. Okay, I have selected the surface, so this is the front view. I'll place it here. Okay, double click, front view. So I want a projection of this, so I will go to the projection and I will make a projection of this. So now we will see how to apply a broken view. Okay, so for applying broken view, you can see that from here, from this point and this point, the surface is equal. Okay, there is no any other feature in this area, so I will make it a broken view to save space. Okay, so I will, okay, so I want to make this as a base view, so I will go to this. Okay, right click, so I will activate view. Okay, so I have activated this. You can see this red boundary has appeared. I will go to the broken view. Okay, I will place it here. first and second. Okay, you can see that this has been broken. First time I want to this, I will go to this. Okay, so this is the broken view. It will broke this, and if you give dimension, it will be that dimension. Say 50. We have broken this to save the space on the drawing because it doesn't have any other feature here. Okay, so we'll also create here over first and so this is the broken. This is how you can add a broken. So this is how you can create a drafting in CATIA. Okay, projection view, creating a section view. Okay, creating a detail view. This is how you can create a detail view. Okay, creating a clipping view. So this triangle shows the clipping view. Okay, creating a broken view. So this is how you can broke. Okay, see this long rod has been broken. Add 3D clipping. Okay, creating wizard. Okay, see this. So we have seen how to apply dimension. Okay, from the dimensioning toolbar. Okay, we have understand the annotation toolbar. I have just show you how to add annotation from the annotation toolbar. Okay, so we will see the geometry toolbar. So here you can access the geometry toolbar. Okay, you will press shift to make it horizontal. Okay, so this is geometry creation. You can create a geometry, you can create a line. Okay, you can create points here. Okay, you can also create a circle in the drafting. Okay, you can also create a profile. See this, you can create a profile also. So this is the use of geometry creation toolbar. Okay, also there is a geometry modification toolbar. Here you can access it. So this is the geometry modification. You can add fillets. Okay, chamfer, corner, chamfer, trim, break, quick trim, just like the we have seen in the sketcher. Okay, those are okay. Next there is mirror, symmetry, translate, rotate, scale, offset. Okay, you can also add constants. Okay, you can also add constant here. Okay, so at the starting we have seen defining standard. How to you can define standard in the new drawing wizard at the starting of the. Okay, so you can select the size. Okay, everything, sheet size. Okay, and also edit the frame and title. Okay, so edit option, you can go to the sheet background. Okay, so you can also change the sheet background. Okay, you will see the real-time rendering. Close this, close this part too. Okay, so how to render this part, we will see the rendering. Okay, so I will apply this shading with edges. Okay, or I will close this, I will open another part, go to file, open, will open this assembly. Okay, so this is the assembly part. For rendering we have this render tools. Go to the render tools, click on the camera. Okay, so this will open the rendering workbench. Okay, so I will just move this. Okay, so this is the render, and this is the render command. If you click on this, this will render the whole model. Okay, I will click this will take view of the model that we have been created. This is the assembly. Okay, so thank you. This is how you can render in CATIA. Okay, just click on the rendering. This will take some time. You can change the scene, you can change the background. Okay, so this is how you can change the backgrounds. Okay, see this, you can change the background here. Okay, wherever you want, whichever background you need, you can change it from here. Okay, so if you want this, you can also make a custom background, custom lightning. Okay, predefine. Okay, how, whichever background you need, you can select it from here. Okay, so this is the backgrounds. You can change the scenes from here. Okay, tabletop, these are various types of symbols. Okay, okay, we will stop here.